I'm going to be showing y'all how to go from this to this.
It's a revolution.
Okay, so what you're gonna need is just a simple shirt that doesn't fit too tight. I got this from Forever 21 for like $5. Just cut the shirt how short you want it, but remember to add like an inch or 5/8 of an inch seam allowance. Now put a sheet of paper in between your shirt like this because we're going to be starting the stencil and we don't want it to be transferred to the back of the shirt. I'm using a fabric Sharpie. Is it a fabric Sharpie? Yeah, I think I'm using a fabric Sharpie to just outline the letters. And then after that, I'm going to use acrylic paint or fabric paint to fill in the letters. Now we're going to get our elastic. I think mine was like 5/8 of an inch or 1/2 inch. Yeah, that was 5/8. And we're going to measure the area of the body where the bottom of the shirt sits. And then we're going to cut the elastic like that. And then we're going to sew the two ends. And pretty much what we're just going to do is place it on the inside of the shirt by the hem, fold the shirt over it, and then we're just going to top stitch it in place. I caught my elastic in the stitch because that's what I wanted. I wanted to have that more ruched up. So I caught it like probably like an 1/8 over the elastic. At this point, this is how it looks with the elastic sewn, and you can leave it like this, but I just decided to be a little bit extra. I actually put glue all over the letters and then threw some sequins on it, but then I realized I didn't want sequins all over it, so I just chose a couple of the letters to put the sequins on. Now onto this choker. I cut mine about 4 inches high, and then the length is the width of my neck minus an inch. This is going to be 4 inches because you're actually going to fold it over, so the end result is actually 2 inches. Right here, I'm just gluing the bottom of the round side of the fabric and folding it over and pressing, and I do this all the way around. And the length of this is really long. I don't know what I was thinking, but I cut it afterwards, you'll see. I'm just adding glue to both edges, and then we're just going to fold it over like this. See? And it's almost done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get our grommets, or eyelets as some people call it, and we're going to stick a hole in the edges. I did mine 3/8 away from each corner. done.
Havana, Havana, Havana. I love them when I love them when I love them when I love them when
Now dad, you gotta spank that ass. 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 Spank that ass.
I love them when
Get that ass in the back.
I love them when
Get up on it and ride that
Just graduated, fresh on campus. Fresh out East Atlanta with no mountains down. Fresh out East Atlanta, pop like a traffic jam. I was quick to pay that girl like Uncle Sam.